Good morning, dear students. This is Kumar Gaurav. I welcome you all today. I hope you all are good at home, and we are going to study about the chapter number 7, the invention of Vita Onk. The invention of Vita Onk. Today we are going to study about this chapter for annual examination. It is very important to know who are the oldest people. There are the many facts in this chapter we are going to get. This is very important for our GK knowledge. General knowledge. Okay, so we who are the oldest people, you have to find out who are the oldest things you have to find out. And in your house, in your city, town or village, you have to try to find out oldest people and oldest things. You have to find out. Okay, how old are they? You have to find out these two. And have you ever wished that you were older? Have you wished that you could grow up in a hurry? The invention of Vita Onk. The invention of Vita Onk. What is this Vita Onk? We have to try to find out after reading this chapter. Mr. Willy Onka. We have Mr. Willy Onka. We have Mr. Willy Onka begins by inventing Onka white. He invented Onka white. Onka white. Okay, which makes people younger. But Onka white is too strong. So some people disappear because their age becomes minus. One person actually becomes minus 87, which means he's got to wait 87 years before he can come back. The invention of decreasing the age. Mr. Willy Onka must invent a new thing. He wanted to invent a new thing. Increasing, not decreasing. Mr. Onka said, so once again I rolled up my sleeves and set to work. He started work. Once again I squeezed my brain. He started squeezing his brain, searching for the new recipe, instructions for making something. I had to create age to make people older at old age. He said, I had to create age. He had to create age. Mr. Willy Onka. He wanted to create age to make people older and oldest. He cried again. For now the ideas were beginning to come. What is the oldest living thing in the world? He started to find out what is the oldest living thing, what lives longer than anything else. You have to find out. Okay, a tree. Charlie is the name of another character. He said a tree. Yes, you are right, Charlie, but what kind of tree? What kind of tree? Not the Douglas fir, not the oak, not the Douglas fir, not the Douglas fir, not oak, okay, and not the cedar, not, no, my boy. It is a tree called the Bristol cone. It is the tree called Bristol cone. Okay. You have to find out. Okay. Pine that grows upon the slopes of Wheeler Peak in Nevada, USA. Here in Nevada, USA. Okay, you can find Bristol cone pines on Wheeler Peak today that are over 4,000 years old. This is fact. Charlie, ask any dendrochronologist. Dendrochronologist who always try to look that word up in the dictionary when you get home. Will you please? So that started me off. I jumped into the grade class elevator and rushed all over the world collecting special items from the oldest living things. A pint of saffron, 4,000-year-old Bristol cone pine. Okay, these are the things he discovered. The toenail clipping from a 168-year-old Russian farmer called Petrovich Georgievich. An egg laid by 200-year-old tortoise belonging to the king of Tonga. Okay, the tail of a 51-year-old horse in Arabia. The whiskers of 36-year-old cat called crumpets. You have to make the list of this. An old flea which had lived on crumpet for 36 years. And the tail of 207-year-old giant rat from Tibet. The black teeth of a 97-year-old grimalkin living in a cave on Mount Popocatépetl, and knuckles bone of a 700-year-old Cthulhu from Peru. These are the facts. These are the oldest thing. Okay, you have to find out and make the list from your book, from your chapter. You can write down. I hope you can. Okay. So, in the first comparison check, choose the right answer. You have the option. Mr. William Wonka is a cook, inventor, and manager. Simply, inventor. Oka White makes people older and younger. Mr. Oka wants to invent a new thing which will make people younger or older. You have to find out. Can anyone's age be minus? What does minus 87 mean? Mr. Onka begins by asking himself two questions. What are they? What is and what lives? Complete it. Simply, you have to find out from this. I hope you can. Okay, students? So, second, when we talk about second part of this, all over the world, Charlie, Mr. Onka went on. I traced down very old ancient animals and took an important little bit of something from each one of them. A hair and an eyebrow. Sometimes it was no more than an ounce or two of jam scraped from between its toes while it was sleeping. I traced down the whistle pig, the bobolink, the skrock, the polyfrog, the giant curlew, the stinging slug, and the venomous squirrel. These are the things he collected. He tried to find out. Okay. So I hope you revised, understood that. Revised 2 minutes for that. Okay, students. I hope you understood this. Who can spit poison right into your eye from 50 yards away? The enormous squirrel. It is very dangerous. Who can? Name is venomous. Venomous squircle. Okay, venomous squircle who can spit poison right into your eye from 50 yards. How many yards? 50 yards away. But there's no time to tell about them all now. Charlie, let me just say quickly that in the end, after lots of boiling and bubbling and mixing, boiling, bubbling and mixing and testing, okay, and testing my inventing room, I produced one tiny cupful of oily black. What he produced? One tiny oily black liquid, and gave 4 drops of it to a brave 20-year-old Oompa Loompa volunteer. What? Oompa Loompa Loompa Oompa Loompa volunteered to see what happened. What did happen? Charlie asked. Charlie asked to Willy Wonka. It was fantastic. It was fantastic. Mr. Wonka cried. The moment he swallowed it, he began wrinkling and swelling up all over. His hair started dropping from his teeth starting falling out, and before I knew it, he had suddenly become an old fellow of 75, and thus my dear Charlie was Vita Unka invented. He became an old fellow of 75. So in this way, he invented Vita Unka, and it is written by Roald Dahl. You can write down, and you can working with the text. You have all the questions. What tree does Mr. Onka mention? Which tree does he say lives the longest? How long does this tree live? And where can you find it? From the chapters you can find out, write the answer. And how many of the oldest living thing can you remember from Onka's list? And why does Mr. Onka collect items from the oldest thing? Do you think this is the right way to begin his invention? What happens to the volunteer who swallows 4 drops of the new invention? What is the name of invention? You know? What is the name of invention? And you can see, what do you call this insect in your language? You can make this picture. Cockroach, mosquito, grasshopper, housefly, dragonfly, ant. These are all the things. Okay. I hope you can do. And you can see also the family picture. Family picture. Okay. You can find out and make it chart of this. I hope you understood this chapter. Students, it is very important chapter for you from the invention. With the help of this, you can write down all the question answer, as well as you can get the knowledge of general knowledge. It is very important. I hope you students, you all understood about it very well, and thank you very much. Have a nice day. Next day we will see again with the next new chapter. Thank you very much. Bye.